Everybody, today I'm going to be replacing the exhaust bellow on this Cummins ISX engine. The replacement of the exhaust bellow will vary depending of the year of the KW model and application. In this case, the exhaust bellow is located right there. You can see it's all the way over there, it's on the back. For other KWs with Cummins ISX engine, the exhaust bellow is gonna be located here between the frame and the engine, or it can be located here in this area right here. I'm going to replace the exhaust bellow because it's leaking a lot of smoke.
From the bellow, that is right there, that's a very common leak.
So in this case, to replace the exhaust bellow, the first step is to remove this side fender. Using a 11/16 socket, I'm gonna remove the 6 bolts that are holding the fender. Now I'm going to remove this cover here by removing these 10mm bolts. There are 4 of them. There is 2 in here, 1 on the side and 1 on this side. Now I'm going to remove this frame, then hold the steps by removing these 13mm bolts. There are 3 here, 2 here, another 2 here, and there is another 3 here. I'm going to remove these Allen bolts, this 4, this 13mm bolt too, and I'm gonna pull the whole thing out to have more room to access the exhaust bellow. Okay, with everything removed, I have full access to the exhaust bellow. Now I'm going to remove this clamp and this other clamp that is right here using a 11mm socket. With the clamps removed, I can remove the exhaust bellow by pressing it to the back like this and then pulling it out. Now I'm just going to remove the gasket, this gasket here, and the other side gasket too. I'm gonna clean the surface to install the new exhaust bellow and install the new exhaust bellow gasket. Okay, the exhaust bellow is out. As you can see, this is the area where it's leaking. It's completely broken, that's the reason why it's leaking. I have the new exhaust bellow here. Here is the part number. This is the OEM part number and this is the aftermarket part number. Remember, I was comparing them. This exhaust bellow is gonna be specifically for this 2016 KW, but it's going to fit different models. So you have to check your big number or your engine serial number to see the specific exhaust bellow for your KW truck. Also, I have the 2 new exhaust gaskets. So now I'm going to make this thing ready to install. I'm going to remove this because over there is a very limited space to install it. So I'm going to remove this bubble wrap. Okay, I'm going to install one of the gaskets here and the other gasket in the pipe that comes from the turbo. And now I'm going to align the exhaust bellow with the pipe by forcing it a little bit just to make its way to the pipe. Okay, the exhaust bellow is on place. Now I'm just gonna install the clamps back on place. Okay, the exhaust bellow is back on place. As you can see, everything is tight. This clamp over here is tight and secure. And the other clamp right there is tight too, as you can see. After replacing the exhaust bellow, I'm going to start the engine and inspect for leaks. Now we can see that there is no leaks at all. Now I'm just going to install all the components I removed to replace the exhaust bellow. As I said before, this process will be very similar to all KWs. The difference will be where the exhaust bellow is located because it varies depending the year model. and application of your KW. So this is all I'm going to show you about the replacement of the exhaust bellow on a KW. If you have any questions about this video, just comment below and I will answer as soon as I can. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.